Good morning everyone. I am here before you to teach you English language, and for today's our topic is a or an. In English language class today we will be discussing about a or an. At what points we use the word, the alphabet actually the a, and at what points we use an. A or an we use basically before the naming words. The naming words can all be like the person, place, animal or thing. The naming words which belong only for one. For that we use a or an. So this is the first point that we should always keep in mind, that we will be only using a or an when we are talking about one. One could be one person, one place, one animal or one thing. But if we are talking about more than one, then in those cases we don't use a or an. No. If it is more than one, then no, we don't use a or an. So we use a or an only if we are talking about one person, place, animal or thing. That is one noun. So, what is the difference? How we will get to know that when we have to use a, when we have to use an? There are so many names, person, place, animal or thing. How we are going to know that when we have to use a and when we have to use n? Let us learn it now. See, in our English alphabets, we have 26 alphabets. Starting from A and coming to Z, we have 26 alphabets. That is, I am writing, we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, or Z. These are total 26 alphabets in our English alphabets. But out of these, there are few vowels and rest few are known as consonants. So which ones are vowels? Our vowels are A, then the next one is E, then I, O, and then U. These are the 5 vowels. These are known as the 5 vowels. The basic way of learning the vowels I would suggest for you all is A, E, I, O, U. You have 5 fingers, so similarly you have 5 vowels also. Before which the 5 vowels we always put an. So when do we use an? We use an with the vowels. And there are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O and U. These are your 5 vowels with which you put an. Okay, but then how you are going to know that what does this mean? How we are going to use the vowels and how we are going to join it with an? Let me tell you that also. I am raising it all to teach you further. Whenever a word is starting, what we have to see is, like a word is starting with, this is my word and this word is starting with A, that is apple. So what we are going to judge in this word is that this word is starting with which letter. Like this word is starting with A and A was a part of vowel. What 5 vowels we have already learned? We have learned A, E, I, O and U. These were known as vowels. How many vowels do we have? We have 5 vowels. How many vowels we have? We have 5 vowels. So the first word is A, P, P, L, E, apple. That means this word is starting with letter A and letter is a part of my vowel dictionary. So that is A. What I should use with A? As it's starting with A, what should I use out of these? So I will be using an because whenever a word is starting with a vowel, we always put an. For an example, I am putting up another example with you all. My another word is ice cream. Oh, you all love to eat ice creams, right? My another word is ice cream. Over here, if I ask you, my word is starting with which letter? Can anyone tell me? Yes, I can tell you surely. It's starting with letter I. So, I is also a part of vowel dictionary. See, I can find out my I over here. So, again, I for ice cream. That means I is a part of vowel. How many vowels we have? We have 5 vowels, right? So, with I, again I am going to use an. Why I have used an? Because I have already told you, always with a vowel, we have to use an. I hope this much is clear to you all. Another example for you all, but this time again you have to use your brain because it might possible that I am giving you something different. So just see, my another word is, can anyone tell me what is this? This is jungle. Jungle. Let me find it out. J. The first letter is J. Does J belong to the vowel dictionary? Let us find out. J. 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 No, I cannot find my J in the vowel dictionary. No, it is not there. That means J is not a part of a vowel dictionary. No, J is not vowel. If J is not vowel, then what is known as, what J will be called as? J will be called as consonants. These are known as consonants. This is known as consonants. All those alphabets which are not a part of vowel dictionary, they are known as consonants. All those vowels, जितने भी आपके vowels होते हैं, those who are not a part of your vowels dictionary, all those alphabets are known as consonants. For example, A is over here. After A, what does comes? It's B, C. So B, C, D. These are consonants. E, I will not write over here because already E is a part of vowel. So I will not write E over here in my consonants. No. Then after E, the next one is F. F I can write over here. Why so? Because F is not a consonant. So again, F. So with all these consonants, we put A. With vowels we were putting an. So as with consonants, we will be putting A. I hope this much is clear to all of you. So what we are going to do is J. My J will not come in vowels. That means J will surely be a consonant. So what I should write with J? I will be writing A. Right? So A, jungle. The word, how we are going to call it? A, jungle. Because J was not a vowel, J is going to be a consonant. And with all the consonants, we use A. We don't use an. Fine? So, let me give you some more examples to make it clear more betterly to you all. My next word is tree. Can you all try where the T, the letter T will go in vowels or consonants? Let us search it out. T. Whether this T will come on my 5 fingers or not? No, it cannot. Because my 5 fingers are already occupied by all these vowels. A, E, I, O, U. So T cannot come over here. That means T will be going in the consonants. So with the consonant, I am going to use A. But if my another word goes for igloo, then again it's with I. Does I come over my vowels? Let us see again. A, E, I, O and U. So I comes over here. Yes, I comes over here on my hand, on my vowels. So it will be used with the an. What we are going to write before that? We will be writing an. Fine. So what we have learned today is A or an. These are known as articles. A we use always with the consonants, and we use with the 5 vowels. We have 5 vowels. Thank you. Have a nice day all of you. Enjoy your day.